Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the option display and brightness. Let's enter. Now let's scroll to the screen section, and on the very first position we've got the sleep option, so let's tap. And as you can see, here we've got plenty of options to choose from. We can set, let's say, shorter options like 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Currently we've got 10 minutes option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. So in order to change it, you just have to tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 2 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 2 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.